Hello, my dear students. Once again, I'm here, and this time I'm here to give you the solutions of revision of chapter 8. Okay. So, what was the first question? Find the compound interest on 20,000 rupees at the rate of 10% per annum for 3 years compounded annually. The first question was principal was 20,000 rupees, rate was 10%, time was 3 years, compounded annually. Compound interest is to be calculated. So first of all, we will have to find the amount, that is P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So 20,000 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power 3. This is cancelled. I got 20,000, 11 by 10, 11 by 10, 11 by 10. Triple zeros are cancelled by triple zero. 20 into 1331, which is the cube of 11. So I got 2 3 just 6, 2 3 just 6, 2. So for 20,000 in 3 years at 10,000 rupees, you will get 26,620. So the compound interest is amount minus principal. 26,620 minus 20,000. The answer is 6,620 rupees. So the answer will be 6,620 rupees. Now next question. Once again, it was based on compound interest. Find the compound interest compounded half yearly at the on rupees 10,000 at the rate of 20% for 18 months. Time is 18 months. 10,000 rupees is the principal. The rate is 20%. Quite a high interest rate. So second question, principal is 10,000 rupees. Rate is 20%. Time is 18 months. So months is to be converted into years. That is 3 by 2 years. Now for half yearly, the formula is 1 plus R upon 200 and 12. So 10,000 into 1 plus 20 upon 200, 3 by 2 into 2. 2 से 2 cancel, 0 से 0 cancel, 2 से 10. So I got 10,000. Once again, 11 by 10, 11 by 10, 11 by 10. Triple zeros are cancelled, and so the answer is 13310. This is amount. Amount minus principal is compound interest. 13310 minus 10,000. 3,310 rupees will be the compound interest for 1.5 years. Thereafter, he is asking you to apply the formula of fraction. The fraction formula is there because time is given in fraction. Okay. So what the question is, find the amount compounded annually on rupees 50,000 at the rate of 5% for 2 years, 3 months. Okay, so question number 3. Principal is 50,000 rupees. Rate is 5%. Time is 2 years, 3 months. 3 months? Yes. So 3 months will be converted into year. So I got 2 is to 1 by 4 years. The formula for fraction is P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. 1 plus R upon 100 into fraction. 50,000 rupees. 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 2. The whole number will come here, and 1 plus 5 upon 100 into 1 by 4. Okay, so 5 is cancelled with 20, 5 is cancelled with 20. I got 50,000. It is 21, so 21 upon 20, 21 upon 20, and this becomes 81 upon 80. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are cancelled. 1, 2 is also cancelled. It is 25. So I will have to multiply 21 with 21 and then with 81 and then with 25. So I got 893,025. 893,025, and this is to be divided by 16. So when I will divide this by 16, I got 55,814 rupees. 55,814 rupees 6 paisa. Okay, so this way the amount for this will be this, and this time he is asking the amount only. He is not asking compound interest. If he is asking compound interest, simply subtract it to subtract 50,000 from it. So this was question number 3. Now what was question number 4? A mobile and a laptop are sold for 10,000 each. If on mobile there is a loss of 10% and on laptop there is a profit of 10%, find his overall gain or loss. So what is appearing? There will be gain or loss or not? Yes, there will be. Let us see. Since it is selling price, yes, there will be gain and loss. But if it might have been the cost price, no. So here I am taking the case of mobile. Here I am taking the case of laptop. What I got? Selling price is 10,000 in both the case. Selling price is rupees 10,000. On mobile there is a loss of 10%. On laptop there is a profit of 10%. So loss 10%, profit also 10%. Let me calculate CP. So in case of CP, what it will be? 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP, and in case of profit, 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP. So let me substitute. So 100 minus 10 is 90 into 10,000. 0 and 0 is cancelled. So 1 lakh divided by 9. What I got? 1 lakh divided by 9 gives me 11,111.11. Okay. On the other hand, 100 plus 110 into 10,000. This is divided by. So this time 1 lakh will be divided by 11. So this time 1 lakh divided by 11 gives me 9,090. 9,090.90. So total CP 11,111.11 plus 9,090.90 gives me 11,111.11. This is 20,202 rupees 1 paisa. 20,202 rupees 1 paisa. While the total SP is 10,000 plus 10,000, that is 20,000. So CP was more, SP is less, so it is a loss. CP minus SP, that is 20,202.1 minus 20,000. I got 202 rupees 1 paisa loss. Okay. Let us see question number 5. In question number 5, we are talking about GST. What he is saying, the selling price of an LED TV is 16,200. Selling price is rupees 16,200. After paying a GST of 8%. GST कितना है? 8%. Then he is trying to ask the marked price. What was the marked price of it? So marked price is always selling price. Selling price is. So he is asking the marked price, na? So selling price is always marked price plus GST. If marked price is X, so GST will be 8% of X. That is, you can cancel it by 4, so 2 upon 25. So selling price is 16,200, marked price is X, GST is 2 upon 25X, and I got 27 upon 25X. So my X will be 16,200 into 25 upon 27. 6 ja? Yes, 6 ja. So 600, I got 15,000. I got 15,000. So on 15,000 rupees was the marked price of this LED TV, on which you have to pay rest of the amount as GST. Okay. So this was question number 5. Let us talk about question number 6. What question number 6 is saying? Nathan's total saving is 5 lakh rupees. Saving is rupees 5 lakh. Okay. For a year, after spending 80% of his income. और spend कितना किया उसने? 80%. If 80% is spent, then how much save? Saving is equals to 100 minus 80, that is 20%. And if the total income is X, so 20% of X is equals to 5 lakh. So X is equals to 5 lakh into 100 upon 20. 5s are. So his annual income is 25 lakhs. So this way we will. These are the solution of this question. Now tomorrow you are having a demo test for this. These two chapters. I will say upload the paper at 12:30, and then hope to get maximum response from you people. These are the demo tests just to check that you people are well versed in sending the PDF or not. Because on the basis of that only we will have our half yearly. Okay, take care and complete your work.